And the pass. Number 2. Dancing pass into the middle. And yes, sir, it's in. Number 15. Corner. Picks. Rojas. Lace. And it's in. Rojas. Pass. Espinosa. Step back for 3. Bang! What a spectacular pass to the corner. And Lace. And it's in. Lacson. Welcome to Bulacan Intertown 2025 Makata Cup, Baliwag versus Pombong. Ball possession for Baliwag. Bang! First blast! Rojas. Pass to number 20, deep 3. Now, and rebound again. And number 12, Rojas the floater. It's a bucket. And dribbling at the top. And the pass. Pass back for 3. Bang! 3 point. Number 20. Pass to Kalayag. Espinosa to the middle. Rojas. Inside pass and reverse layup of the window. Basket is good. And here's number 13. Setting the play. Ochon. Number 13 fix. Ochon. Inside pass. Fires Marcelo. Yes, sir! And dribbling at the top. Number 20. Rojas. Attacks. Fires. And it's in. Rojas. Espinosa. Pass to Rojas. Will kick out. Kalayag. Inside. Spin. Fires. No. And it's Team Baliwag. Number 6. Dribbling. Pass to number 2. Corner pass for 3. Bang! Nothing but 20. To corner. Rojas. Kalayag. Corner. And pass for 3. Bang! The answer! 15. Corner. Picks. Rojas. Lace. And it's in. Rojas. And the pass. Number 2. Dancing pass into the middle, and yes, sir, it's in. Espinosa. Pass to Rojas. Will post. Stops. Bounce pass. Espinosa. Step back for 3. Bang! What a spectacle! Novillo. Corner for 3. Won't go. Rebound and the foot back shot. And a great finish. Novillo. And the pass. Corner. Loresto. Pass back. To the mid. Stolen. And 2-on-2. And nakalusot na. And the lace. And a bucket at the basket. Dribbling at the top. Zigzag is spinning. And attacks. Steps inside. Hook and has. Scoop layup is in. And pass. Makagay. Corner pass. Kaulik. Pull up J. No. Rebound Ramos. Picks. And the pass. Stops. Reverse layup. And it's in. Lacson. Pass to Marcelo. Ay Loresto. Lacson for 3. Bam! 3 points. Pass to Go. Go Junior. And 5. Short. Rebound Dionisio. Ball is stolen. Santos inside. It's yes, sir. Lacson. Pass to Marcelo for 3. Short. Pass break. And drives. Reverse layup. No good. Rebound. Put back shot. Bucket is good. Ulalit. Corner 3. Bang! Estrella! Dionisio. Dribbling the ball. Pass to the corner. And lace. And it's in. Lacson. Corner pass. Stolen. And the pass. Lacson. Lace. And it's in. And 1. And here's dribbling. And passing. Cross pass corner. Lacson. Stolen. And the long pass. And Lace. And it's a bucket for 2. And dribbling the ball and the pass to the middle. And left-handed lace. And it's in. And number 13 to number 4, Ramos. Corner pass. And the pass to the middle and lace. Won't go. Rebound, put back. Basket and 1. That's the end. Inside pass. And picks. Reverse layup. Oh, the create. Click. To the middle. Santos. Steps inside. Fakes. Ang gandang pasa nun. And the connection. Rojas. By Loresto. Loresto steps inside and lays. Basket and 1. Loresto. And Espinosa is stolen. And Fenic Tito. Bucket for 2. We are tied at 37. Kaulik. Pass to Espinosa. Crossover. Guarded by Ochon. Screen by inside pass. Rojas. The fodder. And bucket for 2. And here's Tim Baliwag. Dionisio. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. Dionisio. Lacson pass to the left wings. Dionisio. Steps inside and fire. In and out. And the tips in. Nicola. Pass to Espinosa. Espinosa. Kalulik. Go. Go. Drives. And the pass to Santos. Nice move and nice pass. And that's the end. Click. Kulalik. Pass to the left wings. Rojas. Spinning. Bounce pass inside again. Finding Rao. And again for 2. Rebound. Lacson. Pass to the middle. Nicolas. Loresto create space and fire. Basket and 1. Loresto. 1 point lead for Team Bongbong. And Lacson for Team Baliwag. Spinning. Pass to Loresto. Loresto. Pass to Lacson. Lacson. Corner pass. Takes. And the kicks out for 3. No good. And rebound still for Team Baliwag. Lacson steps inside behind the back pass. 1 pass fakes. Pass and fire. And change. Go against Loresto. Dancing. Goes to the middle. For 3. No. Lacson the rebound. Lacson. Pass to Nicolas to the corner. Raimundo. And the pass and far short. Save the ball. Loresto long 2. No good. Rebound. And inside pass. Libre. Marcelo. Easy bucket. Pass to Rojas to go. Go dribble the ball. Will attack. Will bump. Almost stolen. Recover. Kicks out. Espinosa. He steps inside. Then flurry of the window. In and out. Rebound Marcelo. To Dionisio. To Lacson. Lacson. Sets the play. Pass to the left wing. Loresto for 3. Bang! Nothing but net. Against Ramos. Ross between the legs. Spinning. Firing. And it's in. Rojas. 20. Kalulik. Pass to the left wings. Number 8. Attacking the defense. And kicks out. Go. Open look fires. In and out. Rebound. Go. Go. He steps inside and fire. Basket and 1. Go. And here's Lacson. Pass to the left wings. Inside pass. And the pass. And recover. Tekilin pass. Oh, rejected. And baseball pass. Sakto yung pasa. Go. And fire. No. Rebound. Go. Inside. Fires for the tie. Target. And here's Kalayag. And the pass. And Bob Santos for the top. For the lead sana yun. Santos for the lead. No. Santos for the lead. In and out. Rebound. Pass. Up. Hey. No basket. And here's Lacson. Pass to Nicolas. To Lacson. Oh, traveling si Lacson. For the inbound. Here's Tim Paumbong. Rojas. Rojas passes to Kulalik. Kulalik. And here's Espinosa. He steps inside. Nakalusot for the lead. Torres to for the inbound. Pass it to the middle. Lacson. And deep three. Nicolas. Bam! For the lead! Santos for the inbound. 27.8 seconds on the game clock. 40 seconds to shoot. Rojas. And 1 point lead for Team Baliwag. Shot clock down to 7. Down to 6. Attacks. Kicks out. Rojas will bump. Kicks out for 3. And 20. And now looking for the receiver. Bounce pass. And the pass. Foul. Bounce pass. Nicolas. And the foul. Nicolas first on the free throw. It's in. 2-point lead. 58-56. 3.9 seconds on the game clock. Nicolas. Last on the free throw. It's in. 3-point lead. And the long pass. And up. Up. And the winner. Baliwag.